Imagine a world where machine learning and AI handle all technical support seamlessly. No more long email threads. Users can simply log in and choose to chat, call, or video call with an AI-powered assistant. This advanced support bot, equipped with a comprehensive knowledge base and troubleshooting techniques, engages directly with the users to provide instant technical help. This would be amazing. For instance, here is an example of a user needing to install DriveWorks. Let's see how this conversation unfolds. I hope this concept might soon become a reality. Maybe by 2025, we could see this level of an AI-driven support in action with DriveWorks and Dassault Systèmes, of course.